Most traders lose money. This stark reality drives many to seek complex indicators or secret signals. They believe the path to profit lies in finding the next big strategy. They relentlessly chase excitement. They constantly seek market action. Yet this relentless pursuit of action is precisely what keeps 95% of traders from consistent success. It traps them in a cycle of overtrading and emotional decisions. Their drive for constant engagement becomes their undoing. This is not just a theory. It is a fundamental psychological flaw. Elite traders operate differently. They do not chase markets. They wait. They embrace long periods of inactivity. Their trading often feels profoundly boring. This boredom is a deliberate strategy. It is a psychological superpower. Amateur traders crave the thrill of the trade. They need constant stimulation. They look for the next rapid swing. They enter trades based on perceived momentum. They often ignore objective market conditions. This leads to impulsive entries and poor risk management. Consider a typical scenario. A stock breaks above a key resistance level. Retail traders see the green candles. They feel the fear of missing out. They jump into the market immediately. They often buy at the exact top of the initial surge. Smart money, however, observes this breakout with detached patience. They understand liquidity. They know retail buying creates fuel. They wait for retail stops to cluster. They watch for breakout buyers to exhaust themselves. Then they position themselves for the reversal. This patience allows elite traders to capture moves at optimal prices. They are not trying to catch every tick. They are waiting for high-probability setups. These setups do not occur every hour. They might not even occur every day. The amateur trader's brain is wired for immediate gratification. A trade feels good. A quick profit feels even better. A loss generates discomfort. This emotional roller coaster dictates their trading behavior. They trade their emotions. They do not trade the market. Conversely, professional traders cultivate emotional detachment. They recognize their biases. They understand the market is indifferent to their feelings. Their focus shifts entirely to process. They seek clarity, not excitement. This profound difference in mindset is rarely discussed. It remains hidden from most aspiring traders. They spend countless hours analyzing charts. They neglect the most critical element, their own psychology. Their inner game is often their weakest link. Think about a professional sniper. He does not fire randomly. He waits for the perfect shot. He can spend hours, even days, in patient observation. His success depends on disciplined inaction. Trading requires a similar mental fortitude. Most retail traders cannot sit still. They feel compelled to act. They scan multiple markets constantly. They switch strategies frequently. This lack of conviction leads to inconsistent results. Their account equity reflects this inconsistency. True profitability comes from extreme selectivity. It means waiting for a precise confluence of factors. It means letting 99 out of 100 potential setups pass by. This requires incredible discipline. It demands a quiet confidence. This understanding, the psychological frameworks that separate the top 5% from the 95% who never make it, is exactly what you'll find inside the seven-figure trader's mind vault. It contains the complete mental systems that elite traders actually study. Books like Trading in the Zone and The Disciplined Trader are just the beginning. It provides every framework that rewires how you think about risk, losses, and discipline. This is what every seven-figure trader has studied and mastered. These are the mental systems most traders never even know exist. Link in the description. Consider the of constant action. A trader takes 10 impulsive trades. Each trade carries a small edge, but the commissions and slippage erode profits. The emotional toll of these trades is also significant. Their mental capital depletes rapidly. A disciplined trader takes one high-probability trade. They manage risk meticulously. They might only make 2 such trades per week. Their capital remains protected. Their mental energy stays high. This leads to sustained growth. The market rewards patience. It punishes impatience. This is a fundamental law of trading. Those who try to force trades will eventually be forced out. Their capital will dwindle. Their confidence will shatter. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful enemy. It drives amateur traders into poorly conceived positions. They see a stock moving up 0.432 in an hour. They imagine what they could have made. They then jump in. They ignore the current risk. They overlook proper entry criteria. They disregard their own trading plan. They chase the move. Often the move reverses just after their entry. They are left holding the bag. Elite traders understand FOMO. They acknowledge its presence. Then they choose to ignore it. They adhere strictly to their predefined rules. Their plan dictates their actions. Their emotions do not. They understand that opportunity is always present. There will always be another trade. There will always be another setup. Missing one move is not a failure. Entering a bad trade is the true failure. This acceptance fosters a sense of calm. It removes the urgency. It allows for clear, rational decision-making. Their trading becomes systematic. It becomes predictable. This predictability leads to consistent results. Boredom in trading means you are not gambling. It means you are executing a plan. It means you are waiting for specific conditions. It means you are letting the market confirm your thesis. You are acting like a sniper. When a setup appears, an elite trader acts decisively. There is no hesitation. There is no doubt. The decision was made long ago. It was made during their planning phase. Execution becomes mechanical. The absence of excitement is a key indicator. It means the psychological triggers are not firing. It means the emotional response is suppressed. This allows for objective analysis. It allows for superior execution. Developing this mindset takes time. It requires dedicated practice. It means observing your own impulses. It means learning to override them. It is a journey of self-mastery. It is not about mastering the market. This inner work is the true differentiator. It is what separates the consistently profitable traders. They mastered themselves first. Then they mastered the market. This sequence is non-negotiable. Embrace the quiet periods. Cherish the times of inaction. Recognize them as opportunities for growth. Use them for analysis. Use them for reflection. Use them for refining your plan. Successful trading is not about constant engagement. It is about strategic engagement. It is about quality over quantity. It is about patience and precision. It is about the power of boredom. Your trading journey will transform. You will move from chasing action to waiting for perfection. You will replace impulse with discipline. You will understand why boredom is your greatest ally. The market will still offer excitement to others. Let them chase it. Let them experience the frustration. You will be sitting quietly. You will be waiting for your moment. Your profits will reflect this wisdom. This disciplined approach is not easy. It challenges human nature. It requires intentional effort. But the rewards are immense. They are life-changing. They are worth every ounce of effort. Start cultivating your inner calm today. Begin embracing the quiet. Learn to love the boredom. It is the secret weapon of the elite. It is the path to consistent profitability. This transformation begins with understanding. It grows through practice. It solidifies through experience. It is the ultimate trading edge. It is the core of true mastery. Remember, the goal is not to trade more. The goal is to trade better. This often means trading less. It means waiting for the market to come to you. This is the boredom of brilliance. The frameworks that turn struggling traders into consistent winners are available. They teach this psychological discipline. They build this patient mindset. They provide the necessary tools. Elite traders understand this deeply. They have internalized these principles. They live by them daily. Their success is a direct result. Their peace of mind is also a direct result. This approach brings more than just financial reward. It brings mental freedom. It reduces stress significantly. It allows for a more balanced life. This is the true value of mastery. The constant chase is exhausting. It is financially draining. It is emotionally taxing. Break free from this cycle. Embrace a new way of thinking. Embrace the power of patience. This is not simply advice. This is a proven blueprint. It is the path taken by every truly successful trader. It is the quiet path. It is the path of consistent profitability. Your trading psychology is paramount. It dictates your outcomes. Invest in understanding it. Invest in mastering it. It will be the best investment you ever make. This journey is worth every step. It leads to true independence. It leads to lasting success. It leads to the calm confidence of an elite trader. Yet many aspiring traders never reach this summit. They stumble, fall, and quit. They chase fleeting opportunities. They succumb to powerful emotional currents. Their trading journey becomes a cycle of hope and despair. This common path leads only to frustration. It depletes capital and spirit. Why does this pattern persist? The answer lies within us. Our brains are not naturally wired for successful trading. We are programmed for immediate rewards. We seek certainty in an uncertain world. This innate wiring creates powerful biases. These biases directly undermine profitable trading. Consider trader A. He constantly seeks the next hot stock. He relies on forum tips. He jumps into trades with little research. His entries are often driven by FOMO. Fear of missing out dictates his actions. He risks too much on a single position. He lacks a defined exit strategy. When a trade goes against him, he hopes it recovers. He lets small losses grow into large ones. He cuts winning trades quickly. He fears losing paper profits. This behavior is emotionally driven. It is a recipe for disaster. Trader A started with $10,000. He lost 20% on his first few trades. His account value dropped to $8,000. He then tried to recover quickly. He doubled his position size. This magnified his subsequent losses. A further 25% disappeared. His capital was now only $6,000. This downward spiral continued. Emotional decisions fueled every loss. His account eventually dwindled to nothing. This cycle is tragically common. Now consider trader B. She understands human psychology. She knows her brain's natural tendencies. She built a robust trading system. Her system defines clear entry rules. It specifies strict exit conditions. It prioritizes risk management above all else. She focuses on probabilities, not predictions. She never risks more than 1% of capital per trade. Her maximum daily loss limit is fixed. This prevents significant drawdowns. She embraces small, consistent gains. Trader B also started with $10,000. She aimed for a 2% return per trade. She accepted 1% losses readily. Her win rate was 50%. This still generated consistent profits. For example, she made 10 trades. 5 were winners, gaining $200 each. 5 were losers, losing $100 each. Her net gain was $500. This is a 5% return for those 10 trades. This is steady, methodical progress. This methodical approach is crucial. It sidesteps common cognitive traps. Loss aversion often compels traders to hold losing positions. They hope for a recovery. This is a cognitive illusion. The sunk fallacy reinforces this poor decision. Traders feel compelled to recover past losses. They increase risk to achieve this. This only compounds their problems. Successful traders like Jesse Livermore understood this. He emphasized cutting losses quickly. He let profits run. He understood market psychology deeply. Livermore learned from his early mistakes. He became a master of his own mind. Elite traders focus on their process. They do not obsess over individual outcomes. Their edge comes from statistical probabilities. They understand that every trade is just one event. A single trade outcome is random. A series of trades reveals their edge. They know their system has a positive expectancy. This knowledge creates true calm confidence. They execute their plan without emotional interference. This is the hallmark of professionalism. Think of the legendary turtle traders. Richard Dennis trained ordinary individuals. He gave them a simple, systematic approach. They were taught strict entry and exit rules. They learned precise position sizing. Most importantly, they mastered risk management. These novice traders became highly profitable. They outperformed many seasoned professionals. Their success proved the power of method. It demonstrated discipline over intuition. Their system worked across various markets. It worked because it removed emotional decisions. Markets are complex adaptive systems. They move in regimes. Some regimes favor trend-following strategies. Others suit mean reversion approaches. Elite traders identify these conditions. They adapt their strategies accordingly. They do not fight the market. They flow with its prevailing energy. They understand volatility's role. High volatility might mean smaller position sizes. Low volatility might require different entry triggers. This adaptability is part of their edge. Mark Minervini exemplifies this adaptive precision. He seeks specific chart patterns. He focuses on leading stocks. He insists on strong relative strength. His system defines precise buy points. It specifies exact sell points. He cuts losses at a 7 to 8% maximum. He lets winning trades compound significantly. His method is intensely disciplined. It removes subjective judgment. This framework delivers exceptional returns. Paul Tudor Jones is another master. He blends macroeconomics with technical analysis. He identifies major market inflection points. His risk management is legendary. He famously said, "Don't ever average losers." This simple rule prevents catastrophic drawdowns. He protects his capital fiercely. He waits for optimal conditions. Then he executes with conviction. His approach is highly systematic. It is deeply rooted in market understanding. The power of consistency is transformative. Let's compare the outcomes again. Trader A lost 50% of his capital. He needs a 100% gain to break even. This is an extremely difficult task. Most traders never recover from such a drawdown. Their confidence is shattered. Their capital base is too small. Trader B, with her steady 5% monthly gain, she compounds her capital. After 1 year, her $10,000 becomes $958.56. After 2 years, it is $250.91. In 5 years, her capital grows to $501.26. This is the magic of compounding. It is not about huge, risky gains. It is about consistent, disciplined execution. This progression is entirely achievable. It demands patience and adherence to process. This deliberate approach is not accidental. Elite traders follow specific frameworks. They master their inner game. They cultivate a winning mindset. They understand their own cognitive blind spots. They build systems to bypass these natural human flaws. This exact psychology system is detailed in the Seven-Figure Trader's Mind Vault. It covers the complete mental blueprint. It equips you with the tools for true trading independence. This is what consistently profitable traders study. It is not what amateur traders chase. These are the systems that actually work. Link in the description. Developing this mastery requires effort. It demands self-awareness. It means rigorous self-analysis. You must journal your trades, document your emotional state, identify your personal triggers. Were you impatient? Did you experience FOMO? Did you hold a loser too long? This introspection is vital. It reveals your weaknesses. It allows you to build stronger habits. The path to elite trading is a journey of self-improvement. It is about mastering yourself first. Then you can master the markets. It is about embracing probabilities. It is about managing risk with precision. It is about letting your winners run. It is about cutting your losers ruthlessly. This methodology transcends market conditions. It works in bull markets. It works in bear markets. It works because it is rooted in timeless principles. These principles are not about luck. They are about a proven method. A proven method sounds incredibly promising. It offers a clear path forward. But despite many strategies existing, most traders still struggle. They experience persistent frustration. They face recurring losses. The answer is rarely a new indicator. It is seldom a secret strategy. The true difference lies much deeper. It resides within each individual trader. It is in their fundamental psychology. This is the profound problem 95% of traders encounter. They relentlessly chase external solutions. They seek the next holy grail system. They often ignore the critical internal game entirely. This approach leads to endless cycles of frustration. It causes wildly inconsistent trading results. It perpetuates a devastating cycle of failure. This keeps them from real success. This prevents them from achieving financial freedom. The solution, however, is remarkably clear. It involves mastering your mental game completely. This means deliberately cultivating ironclad discipline. It requires unwavering, steadfast patience. It demands precise emotional control in every situation. This is not a feel-good or fluffy philosophy. It is a highly practical skill set. It is the absolute bedrock of consistent, long-term profitability. Elite traders grasp this concept deeply. They actively train their minds every single day. They know their mind is their most powerful asset. It is their ultimate, undeniable edge. This mental fortitude defines their success. It separates them from the struggling masses. This path demands decisive action. It requires a structured, deliberate approach. I will give you 3 actionable steps now. These steps will help you transform your trading. They build lasting psychological strength. Step 1. Develop your complete trading plan. This first step is absolutely non-negotiable. It is fundamentally essential for success. A clear, meticulously written plan removes impulsive emotional decision-making. It objectively defines your unique edge in the market. You must clearly specify your exact entry criteria. Define your precise, predefined exit points. Detail your strict, unwavering risk management rules. Outline the specific market conditions that trigger trades. This comprehensive plan dictates every single action you take. It is your personal blueprint for consistent success. Dedicate a focused 2 to 3 hours initially. Then, refine it weekly for 90 consecutive days. Make it a dynamic, living document. This ensures it evolves with your learning. A robust plan brings immense clarity. It provides a strategic framework. It builds your trading foundation. Step 2. Practice deliberate execution. Once your robust plan is fully developed, you must follow it. Follow it without any form of deviation. This builds an ironclad, unshakable discipline. It consistently reinforces positive, profitable habits. Execute every trade precisely as planned. Resist every impulse to stray from your rules. Resist the urge for impulsive actions. Review every single trade meticulously afterward. Compare its execution against your written plan. Treat your trading plan like a sacred contract. It is a binding agreement with yourself. This disciplined execution must occur for at least 100 trades. This period takes significant time. It demands unwavering focus. This is where true mental strength is forged. It is where consistency is built. Step 3. Journal your trades and emotions. The third crucial step is to meticulously journal. Record every single trade you make. Crucially, include your mental and emotional state. This practice reveals deep, often subconscious patterns. It uncovers hidden psychological biases you possess. Note your precise feelings before each trade. Document them carefully during execution. Record them immediately after the trade closes. Identify any recurring emotional triggers. This journal becomes your personal growth roadmap. It provides invaluable, actionable insights. Do this consistently for 90 days minimum. Review your journal entries weekly. This accelerates your learning curve dramatically. It fosters deep self-awareness. It reveals your true trading personality. It helps you adapt and grow. Now let us discuss realistic expectations candidly. This journey is absolutely not a quick fix. It is certainly not a magic bullet. It requires consistent, dedicated, unwavering effort. Expect to make well over 100 trades. Expect to spend 90 days or more. Patience will be your greatest ally here. Never rush this profound, transformative process. You are building entirely new mental muscles. These muscles take time to strengthen. They require consistent effort to develop. Immediate results will not appear overnight, but the eventual outcomes will be truly profound. They will be deeply lasting. They will change your trading forever. You stand at a critical crossroads right now. You have an important choice to make. You can continue chasing quick, fleeting indicators. You can keep hopping for some elusive luck. You can stay perpetually stuck in the cycle of frustration. You can let raw emotions dictate your every trading move. This path leads inevitably to burnout. It leads to consistent, painful losses. It leads to giving up on your dreams entirely. Or you can consciously choose the path of mastery. You can commit to training your mind. You can build true, unshakable trading discipline. You can unlock your full, untapped potential. This path leads to consistent, sustainable profitability. It leads to true financial freedom. It leads to lasting, quiet confidence. The profound choice is entirely yours. For those genuinely serious about the second path, there is a powerful shortcut. Let me be clear. It is not a magic bullet. It is not an instant solution. It is a meticulously proven system. It represents what the top 5% of traders actually study. It is called the seven-figure trader's mind vault. This is the complete psychology transformation system. It explicitly separates the elite from everyone else. Inside the seven-figure trader's mind vault, you get every single framework. You gain access to every mental system. These are the exact systems that turned struggling traders into consistent, disciplined winners. Think of it as your exclusive, elite mental training camp. You will find the foundational frameworks from trading in the zone. You will internalize the complete teachings of the disciplined trader. We include profound, actionable insights from market wizards. This vault contains everything elite traders meticulously studied. They used these precise methods to master their psychology. They conquered their inner game. This powerful system rewires your brain for unwavering consistency. It fundamentally transforms your entire trading approach. It provides the exact mental tools. These tools make all the critical difference. This is truly what the top 5% actually study. They master their inner game first and foremost. Everyone else chases the next hot, fleeting indicator. They unfortunately ignore this true, profound power. Do not make that costly, common mistake. Equip yourself for lasting, sustainable success today. The link to the seven-figure trader's mind vault is prominently in the description below. This is not just information. It is a true, deep transformation. It is the critical edge you have been missing. It is your clear, actionable path to consistency. This is the profound difference between staying stuck forever. This is finally breaking through to real success. Check out the seven-figure trader's mind vault now. The direct link is in the description. If you found real, actionable value in this video, please hit the subscribe button. Join our rapidly growing community of disciplined, focused traders. Share your valuable insights in the comments below. Let me know exactly what clicked for you today. Your transformative journey to trading mastery starts now. I will see you in the next one.